How to make money online in 2023. Hello guys, welcome to TechStride. If you are wondering how to make money online in 2023, you are in the right place. Today I want to share with you some proven methods that will help you start making money online. Let's take a quick look. Method number 1. Monetizing your skills. In 2023, the most popular and profitable way to earn money online is to use your skills and experience. Everyone has unique talents, and you have a huge online market to offer. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer can connect you with potential clients from all over the world, whether it's graphic design, writing, programming, or voiceover. Method number 2. Building a profitable YouTube channel. If you enjoy recording videos and expressing yourself in front of the camera, starting a YouTube channel can be a big game changer. YouTube is more than just a video sharing platform. This is a huge community with billions of users every day. Attract subscribers by regularly uploading engaging content and generate revenue through ad revenue, brand partnerships, and product sales. Method number 3. Launching an e-commerce store. With the rise of e-commerce, now is the perfect time to start an online store. Whether you sell handmade products, unique artwork, or trending products, platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon make it easier than ever to set up your digital storefront. Method number 4. Exploring the world of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income online. By promoting other companies' products and services, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. We strongly recommend products you can trust to build trust with your target audience. Method number 5. Diving into the world of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies have been in the news for some time, but it's never too late to get involved. Despite a certain amount of risk, investing and trading in cryptocurrencies can yield substantial returns. If you're new to the game, be sure to do your research and start with a small investment. Here are 5 exciting ways to make money online in 2023. Remember that success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, persistence, and continuous learning, you can achieve your financial goals. Which one would you rather try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get this valuable content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Before you go, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. Happy to make money and see you soon.